So the first thing you need is the G-Hub software. If you don't have it, the Logitech G-Hub app on your PC or Mac, just type on Google Logitech G-Hub, and one of the options should be the Logitech G-Hub download page. Get it and then open it. Once you open the Logitech G-Hub, you're going to see all the devices that you have connected, the Logitech devices, obviously. In my case, I have 2 mouses. Today, we're going to change the custom buttons on the G203. So click on the picture of your mouse. Then this should appear. If you don't see this, you may see the first screen over here. This is the DPI settings. Just go on the left side and click this plus sign, the middle icon. And here we have on the right side, the different custom buttons that we can customize. So over here we have the 2 side buttons of the mouse. We have the left click. We have the middle click, when you click with your scroll wheel. We have the right side click, and we have the small button that is right above the scroll wheel that usually cycles through DPI settings. And I suggest you don't change this one because DPI settings are quite useful when you game. So unless you just like to game at a certain DPI and you will never change the settings, then you can customize this button. This is up to you. So how to do this? It's very easy. You see on the left side, you have a very long list here of different commands. And you can switch between commands, keys, if you want to type. You always like to type a certain thing. Actions. There's some actions especially made for Discord or any other software here. Macros you can select over here if you want a combination of different keys. And you have some system shortcuts as well. So depending what you want to customize, let's say just for this example, let's say you want backspace, you're using backspace a lot. So you're gonna click and keep the click on and then drag it to the button you want to modify. And then you're gonna see the plus sign, release the click, and bam, it just switched. And do this for every single of them until you're satisfied. And when you're done, you can close this, open your game or whatever software you're using, and start gaming or working. So this is it. This is what you need to do to customize your buttons on your Logitech G203. Hope this was useful. Please subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you in the next one.